So today's January 23rd, and there's a lot of things to update you on. So first and foremost, if you've been watching, we've been waiting on an international job offer for myself to continue to do industrial hygiene. That's what my profession is. And there has been a lot that's happened. A couple months ago, in November, I got a job offer, for a tentative job offer after interviewing for this position in Grafenwehr, Germany. So, where is Grafenwehr? If you look on the map, you look where the German and Czech border is, and it's really close to a small town called Weiden. I'm trying to still find out which one it is. And the great part about this is we are close to Prague, we're close to Nuremberg, we're close to Munich, but we're also kind of in a small town area. So we're really excited. It's in the Bavarian Alp region. Here we are today. Like I said, it's January 23rd, and we still don't have orders. But fortunately, I have accepted the firm job offer, and with that, they gave us a tentative report date of the 14th of January. So we bought a car. 2, we've got to ship all of our household goods. We've got to get the house ready to rent it out while we're gone. We've got to get paperwork and everything else finished up. We've got to make sure we have passports and all that jazz sent out. Luckily, all of ours are current, so we don't have to worry about wait times. We've heard they're astronomically long right now, like 3 to 5 months to get things. So fortunately,
we got little baby Willow one soon after.
We got baby Willow one when she was like 3 months old, and she looks nothing like she does now. But these are a lot of the things that we're trying to get done, and like I said, we've tried to finish up some house projects. We got a couple things with the yard done before we did. Makes it kind of hard when you have the weather right now. It's been snowing, raining today, and yeah, it's overwhelming. Plus, trying to balance, visiting family, visiting friends, keeping socially distanced as well at the same time, making sure that we're doing the right thing while most importantly taking care of ourselves. But today fortunately, my brother and his wife and kids are taking Willa for a couple hours while we go and get some errands done. Enjoy kind of our last date night out ourselves.
It could be our last date for like years, because who knows how long it's going to be till we find someone that we trust and really trust with Willa. So that's crazy thought.
So here's a quick update for you today.
Did you get orders?
Yeah, we did.
I'm so sad because I'm leaving. It's going to a good owner, but I guess that has to come with moving internationally, is not being able to take my plant babies. Keep good care of it. Maybe. Well, don't take my little babies. Good thing I have you.
Sidewalk barefoot down the trail to your house. Voice like thunder, call your name, ringing out. Voice for our kingdom where we
Good morning. Today is our move day, the first of 2 move days. So it's February 17th. We're having our unaccompanied baggage packed up. It's going to be sent on a plane so that when we land in Germany, it will be there for us. So we have about a month here in Utah where we'll have to do without this stuff, but the perks of sending it early is that, it'll be there when we're there. So we're sending really important stuff like Willa's high chair, her crib, our rocking chair, all of the clothes that we want to have there that we think we can, get by without here, and some like kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff. It's going on a plane. So that's the exciting part, is the rest of our household goods will be moved March 3rd, but they're going on a ship. So it's crazy, it's exciting. It snowed a ton yesterday, so we have a winter wonderland. Tanner got a call from the company saying they're on their way. Who knows how long it's gonna take because the roads are pretty crazy. But yeah, it's just really starting to sink in, feel really real. And let's go. Let's hope today things go smoothly and quickly. So we just basically shoved everything in this room because we don't have to pack it up. But this is essentially all the stuff that we're planning on having them take today.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright.
Here we go. Today is the day that we possibly could have everything gone. And we're just waking up. It's kind of been a long weekend. And yeah, movers is supposed to be here sometime after 8 o'clock this morning. And hopefully by the end of the day we have most of the stuff packed and ready to go. So we'll see how it goes. Pretty exciting. We are 2 weeks away. 2 weeks away from moving. And we've had a lot more time to think about things. We've had a lot more time to reflect on what's happening and what's going to happen. And honestly, we're more excited than ever to go. And we're excited, especially now, since we have everything in our backpacks and in our suitcase. And we're just waiting for everything else to be shipped. And we'll get to spend the last little bit with our family before we head out. And it's exciting. We're almost there.
Well, I got lucky today, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah, you did.
I missed out on a lot of work here with the Packers. We actually had planned a girls' day with my mom and my family to go out and go shopping, and that meant that Tanner was here when the Packers came. So I came home to this view, which is kind of sad. How do you feel about it? Tell them what happened today.
So they showed up a little after 9 o'clock, and there were 5 of them, and they went to town. It is 1:40. They left at about 1. So in about 4 hours of work, they have packed 95% of everything that we own, which is kind of crazy to think that this is our live, just all basically here, mattresses, and that's about all that we're missing is a mattress and a couple other odds and ends. But I don't know, like I should probably feel sad, but I don't. I'm more excited than anything, and I think that it's just because it's all finally coming together now. And now we honestly just have our backpacks and our suitcase to live out of for the next 3 weeks.
Yeah.
At least. And then obviously we'll probably get some of the other stuff that's already been sent. But
No, that was my feeling when I came in the house too, was excitement to see it all like ready to go and be shipped overseas.
So tomorrow morning they have scheduled to come out and load everything up. They've got a few things to wrap up, and this house will be empty. We'll clean it all, get it all ready for our renters, and then yeah, it's kind of just bum it with family till we head out.
Till we leave.
So
I'm not looking forward to the cleaning part. I just feel like I'm so tired and I didn't even help today, but it will be good to get wrapped up in a couple days to then relax before we leave.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
I just dropped Willa off with her aunt and uncle and came home to this. It's the last day, y'all. The last day in our house. The last day the Packers will be here, hopefully. And what's the update?
they're just finishing packing up the last few things, and then they'll start to load.
Wow.
Yeah.
I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
I'm sad washing off Willa's messy fingerprints and handprints and you have to write on Willa's mirror in her new room, okay?
Okay.
Sidewalk barefoot down the trail.
The last box being moved.
Ringing out, voice for our kingdom where we ran and we began. Telescope onto the land we call ours, hands untied.
It's been crazy. We're excited for what's happening next, but we can't believe that we're here.
Yes, if you haven't seen any of the first videos, go give that a view. It starts with who, what, where, when, and then you'll watch our journey up until this point of the movers being here. Next video, we're gonna be showing you how you can pack for an international flight, and we're gonna be showing you what we're packing to move to Germany and all of the tips and tricks that are involved, especially with the toddler. Stay tuned.